Welcome to the
Setting Up lesson. Here are the basic steps of our procedure.
The first thing is to cover up your work surface. We're going to go ahead and roll out our paper.
Be sure and tape the paper down so it doesn't fly up while you're working.
Next thing you're going to want to do is organize your crayons. You can see we did it really fast. I love the way these crayons look organized. The rainbow is amazing. Next step is to peel all your crayons because you definitely don't want soggy, wet paper in your wax when it melts. Now we're going to chop up a candle. This is a fresh white candle that will make very bright, clean looking wax. We just hack it up into bits using a serrated, strong knife. Parents, make sure you do this part for your kids.
A canvas bag and a hammer also work great for breaking up the wax.
Wax drops into the bag, we take a hammer and smash, smash, smash. Another way to break up your wax without using a knife. Be sure to take out your wick, clean that out of there, and get rid of any other foreign objects that you might have. And you definitely want your wax to be in small chunks. It'll melt faster, so break it up. Okay, it's time to start dropping the wax into the muffin tins.
Don't fill up the tin completely. You need to leave a little bit of space for the crayon. You should wear protective gloves to cover the griddle with aluminum foil and plug it in. Place the griddle on top of a covered table, and if possible, use a grounded outlet for safety. Turn the griddle on to 200 degrees.
You can stir your wax with a popsicle stick or a paintbrush to make sure that you're jiggling it around a little, but don't stir too hard.
Once the wax is completely melted, break up peeled crayon into several small pieces and drop it into the wax. Since we've been doing this project on and off for a while now, we have a box of leftover wax, which we can reuse.
First, I'm going to use a white crayon here to get some nice opaque white, a bright pink. We're also making a black and orange, a little yellow in the orange. Starting to melt. We're going to keep one of the sections of melted wax completely clear so that we can use it to clean out our brush later on.
We use a separate brush for the yellow because while the other colors can stand a little bit of overflow, the yellow cannot be stirred with a dirty brush without picking up some of the color.
Remember, the wax is hot, so when you stir it gently. Try not to splash, otherwise it'll probably fall on the grill and be smoky.
If your wax starts to smoke, turn the griddle down immediately.
Remember, don't put any foreign objects in your wax.
Once the wax is melted and the color is mixed in, you're ready to begin decorating your candles.